Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to change the camshaft position sensor in a 2005 Ford Expedition. This one's a 5.4. You have one right there, as you can see. This one is good. I've already tested it. So we're actually going to change. We have another one on the other side over here. So you can take this off, or you can leave it on. I'm choosing to leave it on, so less work, and you don't have to take it off. It's right here, it has a push button on the clip. On the connector, you just push down, wiggle off. Over here, you're gonna have an 8mm bolt. As you can see right here, that's gonna have to be removed. After a couple turns, just literally you get it off with the rest of the way with your hand. This one is brand new. However, it was effective straight from Advanced Auto Parts, so they didn't want to take it back. It was purchased less than an hour ago, so I decided I would go down to AutoZone and get another one. It's like 20 bucks, so it's not that serious. So, after you get the bolt out, I turn it a little bit. Makes it easier to pull. But you just wiggle it back and forth while pulling. Just wiggle it back and forth while pulling. And it comes right at. Alright, as you can see, this is how this one's shaped. This is how it came. Don't know if you can see that. It's both of them came from O'Reilly, or I'm sorry, Advanced, and they're both shaped differently. You can see the prongs in there. I did not do that. I knew it wasn't going to connect and it would run without it being connected, so I just plugged. It just runs like crap. Here's the one from AutoZone, which is identical to the one I put over there. You can see it's more of a rectangle with rounded edges. But they are the same. This one's messed up, you can tell. It's slanted. It's not user error. You don't see any of light colored gray plastic from it bending. That's just the way it was manufactured. Anyways, now we'll put the new one in. So as with anything else you're replacing, you just do the opposite. So I'm going to put this one in. You'll have to wiggle it. And you'll hear a pop. Once you got to push it, you'll hear a pop. There it is. Now it's in there. You line it up. Alright, so the best way to do it, once you get it in there, is to line it up from your left hand side. It's going to make so you can put the bolt in. Just going to line it up. You can twist most of the way with your hands. You don't want to over tighten when you use your ratchet. When it only gets about a turn, maybe two, after you finger tighten it anyway. So, alright, so a few turns. Well, there we go. A few turns will get ratchet. I can't get a full turn because of how far down. Then you just find wherever you stuck the harness. And stick it on there. Then you're done. The other one is right here. For those of you who don't know. Battery. Cam sensor. Cam position sensor. Alright.